There's a lot of other jobs out there I could be doing, I know. Sit behind a desk? No way. Listening to customer complaints all day? Heck no. Sweating outside in the hot sun? Who am I kidding? I'm not 21 anymore. Can't go back. Wouldn't want to do it anyway. Once you get the private eye bug, there's no going back to mainstream. I've done all kind of cases. Corporate espionage, child custody, abductions, elder abuse, gold diggers, scallywags, accident fraud, accident scenes, hidden money, hidden assets, stolen cars, stolen property, stolen hearts, scammers, schemes, capers, all the wrongdoings by every Tom, Dick, and Harry. And then you have this case. The wife thinks this dude's cheating. It's always that, isn't it? This is one big old office building. I really don't want to get on the elevator with him. I'll wait to a more social environment and show my face. I can catch him right in plain sight. Maybe this guy surprised me here. Great. The elevator doesn't display the floor he's going on.
Hello? Hey, honey.
I have to search every bloody office on every stinking floor.
I'll be home in a few hours or so. I'm just at the mall.
Wait a minute.
Doing some shopping.
Maybe not.
And then I'm gonna go buy Tina's for a bit. She's very sick. Okay? Love you too. Bye.
I've seen the proof. I know the truth. This is what I was made to do. I was born for this. I was born for this. I'll give you something to believe in. About to show you now that it's more than just a feeling. I was born for this. Baby, I was born for this.
I don't know what car she's driving, so I had to take a picture of every tag in the parking lot. There you are, ma'am. There you are. Now where's my boy? Come on. Where's my boy? Come out. Come on, please. Come on, dude. I know you will.